Good afternoon, candidates. Federal Bank registers highest ever quarterly net profit at rupees 1,007 crore. Federal Bank announced the financial results for the quarter ended 31st December 2023. The key highlights of the results on year basis are as follows. Total business of the bank reached 4.38 lakh crores. Net profit highest ever 1006.74 crore. Operating profit 1437.33 crore. A return on assets for quarter 3 stood at 1.39% and a return on equity stood at 14.80%. GNPA and NNPA stood at 2.29 and 0.64% respectively. The deposits increased by 18.96, advances increased by 18.44%. Highest ever net interest income of 2,123 crore. Mr. Shyam Srinivasan, Managing Director, expressed his view that I am pleased that our dedicated team effort has helped register all-time high net profit. I have already told you total business figure 4.38 lakh and net profit is 1,006.74 crore. If you know this, that must be sufficient. And highest net profit for the quarter, remarkable income parameters. Net interest income has increased to 2,123 crore. Return on assets ratio also given. GNPA ratios also mentioned. Thank you very much. This is very important from the point of view of candidates who are appearing for Federal Bank interview, because quarter 3 results have already come. Thank you.